Your text can say a lot about your design and who you're trying to reach. Today I'm going to show you how to change the line spacing in your text. So without further ado, let's go. So I've got my text here, and what we want to do is make sure that it's selected, and once you're selected, it actually brings you a bunch of additional options. So if you go up to the top ribbon, and you'll see three lines with an arrow pointing in both directions, up and down. That is the icon we're looking for, and we can go in for spacing. Now over here, you can anchor your text box to the bottom of your canvas, the top of your canvas, or you can center it. Right now, we are going to leave it as is, and we are going to now go ahead and space our text. So over here it says line spacing, and that's the space between every line. Now, as you're moving this about, you can actually see the change, right? So if you want to really squash it up all the way, that's what it's going to actually look like. But if you go back in there and you just scroll back to the right, you can see that you can widen the spaces in between. Now, this is a very handy tool because it can really change what your design looks like. You can do the same with the letter spacing, just on the top over here, and make sure that your design stands out from the rest. If this was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time, people. Peace out.